So this is a flap sander. You can see it's belt sanding belts cut in half, and then you cut little strips into the ends, drill a hole through them. This is a 3/8 bolt, I think a 5 or 6 inch bolt. Drill a hole through them, a couple washers, one on each side. I do a double nut on this side to keep it from loosening. And you got a big old sander. Works really good on these carvings for getting rid of little fuzzies and things like that, but it leaves the saw detail in your carvings. So you can use it just like this. You can see I was catching there and the sander was kicking. You try and use just the outside edge. You don't want to shove it in there too hard or you tear stuff off. They last a while with the fabric backed sandpaper, but you still want to try and not mess them up. One thing you want to do is you can change the direction. You don't want the belts catching on sharp edges, so that'll tear the carving, knock your strips off. So I'll try and go down across any sharp edges. Works quick, leaves a nice finish on your carvings. I'll torch this, hit it with this some more, get it nice and finished, and then put some finish on it.